We happy? Vincent? We happy?
Yeah, we happy. Look.
Yeah, we're happy. This is the brand new American Express Gold Card. Brand new all-metal design. Let's take a look. Obviously, I removed the paperwork and my name, obviously, but now I'm golden. Yeah. There it is. This phone camera is not going to do it justice, but yeah, it's pretty significant. The only thing I don't like is the how it's two pieces of metal sandwiched together, so I might get the non-contactless version of it. I think that's a solid piece of metal, but it's heavy. Just how heavy? Yeah, this is just a shipping scale, so it's not super accurate, but yeah, it's roughly 14 grams or so. Brand new card, 4X, grocery 4X, restaurants 3X on airlines. You get a $120 dining credit, $100 airline credit. It can be, depending on how much you spend, this could be a fantastic card to have. If you want the sign-up bonus, 50,000 rewards points plus $100 cash. You can check the link in the description. I'm going to put my referral fee in, and you can sign up if you like. You can become gold yourself. Pretty sick.